How to play Blacktop online in NBA 2K23. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you're going to learn how to play a Blacktop style game online in NBA 2K23. Whether you're trying to hoop with friends or test your my player on the streets, this guide will show you the best way to do it. Let's get started. Step 1. There is no direct online Blacktop mode. First, let's be clear. The classic Blacktop mode is only available for local offline play. But don't worry, there are always some alternatives to get that same street ball experience online. Step 2. Use my career, more the city or neighborhood. If you want that online Blacktop vibe, head into my career. Once you're in, enter the city or neighborhood if you are on current gen consoles. Here you will find street courts where you can play 2v2, 3v3 and even 5v5 games, just like Blacktop, but online. Step 3. Join a game or squad up your friends. You can walk up to any open court and hop into a match with random players. Or invite your friends and squad up for private runs. This is the most realistic way to get the Blacktop energy online. Step 4. Want to play Blacktop with a friend online? Try remote play. Now, if you really want to use the Blacktop mode itself, here's a trick. Use Sharp Play on PlayStation, Remote Play on Xbox, or Steam Remote Play on PC. This way, your friend can connect to your screen and play with you, just like Couch Co-op, but online. And that's it. That was the full tutorial on how to play Blacktop style games online in NBA 2K23. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Drop a comment if you want a full breakdown of the city or how to build your my player for party games. See you in the next video. Thanks.